Hey guys, happy to meet you all. I'm going to share certain views on stress in this video. I think so it will be useful for all. Fine, shall we start? First of all, what is stress? I think so we all are facing stress really in our day-to-day life every day. Stress is an important factor which binds us, holds us to have our upliftment, to have our growth, to reach our success, right? So first thing, what is stress? Stress is a emotional pressure, that is emotional strain. What is stress? Stress is an emotional strain. That is, physically we get strain because of our work and all. Emotional strain. We get mentally fed up, stuck up. That kind of thing is stress. So what are all the factors that leads to us towards stress? Many things. First thing is expectations. Expectations is a real factor which is a base for all our stress. We expect a lot of things from others. One thing we have to keep in our mind, what we expect from others, we have to do certain things to others, they also expect from us, right? So there comes a, saturation point in the field of expectation, right? So if we expect something from others means we have to get alert in our mind. If we get rejected or they are not satisfying our expectation, we have to remain calm, right? This is first place. We are all the first one to have this kind of expectations, right? Second thing, that is conflicts. Conflicts, we have so many conflicts in our life. Conflicts means controversies. I feel like doing something, or I feel like having something, but maybe some other person related to me, they are not okay with that kind of suggestion. Maybe what we feel they are holding up, they are restricting us. There comes the conflict. Why should I have to restrict myself? Why should I have to suppress myself always? First thing is, we people are very much oriented on the environment, the society. Fine. So in that aspects, the conflict is the main factor which determines our mind state or mental state. So first of all, we have to know what is really need to us, what we want to do in our life. That's the first thing. That will help us to get rid of those kind of conflicts. If we are determined to have something, if you have that kind of fixed determination to reach something, you can make others to get along with us. Or we can make them to feel, fine, what we are doing is right. That is a way of doing that. Instead of getting some kind of stress because of those kind of conflicts. Right? Work pressure. Work pressure, typically we people are working in a very controlled and stressful environment. That's true. In every field there are so much of controversy, so much of dominations, so much of suppressions. It's there. But we people are not alone suffering from that. Like us, many people are suffering, right? So first thing is, we have to fix certain things in our mind and plan accordingly, work accordingly. What is best of me? What I have to do to show the best of me to my superiors. I have to equip with my skills so that I can reach my growth with the help of my own skills, right? That will help us to get rid of those kind of pressures. Plan accordingly, We have to equip with our skills, work according to the environment needs. Right? That will really help us to have our growth. Next thing is, long relationships. Maybe within a family, those strong relationships are based on love, companionship, give and take policy. It's there. Maybe in work environment, we are working in certain environment for 20 years, 40 years. There comes the long-term relationship in work environment, where we usually have certain kind of maybe conflicts, controversies, contradiction with our superiors, right? But what we do, we will not tell openly or discuss with them. We ourselves come to one conclusion and act accordingly to our mindset, right? Those persons are really that kind of type, maybe. But we will not, we will not sort out a solution for that problem. Instead of that, we aggravate those kind of feelings within us, which really going to hurt us and also spoil those kind of relationships. Right? One thing is what we people are having in our mind about our family or discrimination or suppression, any kind of thing. Those same kind of things is also there for the opposite person. It's not only for us. It's also there for the opposite persons. So we have to fix certain things in our mind. We have to have some kind of fixed borderline in our perceptions. We should not go across those kind of borderlines. That will help us to get rid of those kind of stresses. Fine. Next is dealing with persons, maybe personalities, characteristics, traits, certain qualities. I'm a very jovial person. I can easily mingle with other people. I'm a very social person. I am like that. Just because I am like that, I can't make others to be like that, right? This is my quality, this is my characteristic. It's only for me. Others maybe, some person may reserve, some person may dislike certain things. Some persons want to have some kind of, their own private space. They will not, or even in a, closed relationship. Maybe in a husband-wife relationship also, they have some kind of private space. We should not interfere. It doesn't actually hurt the relationship. It actually helps us to have a healthy relationship. That's the need of the time. Right? So, please have that kind of attitude in our mind. Fix those kind of perceptions in our mind. That will help us to get rid of those kind of stresses. Yes? Next is, in psychology they will say fight and flight. One thing is, we have to fight with one another, or that is not, with the kind of heavy fighting or something, just arguing. Or we have to run away from the situation. Only thing is, the both things depend on us, not from the others. Fine? So think on this. If you want to fight that person, if you want to show your determination, it's your point. If you don't want to have that kind of argument or fight, just leave the place. That also fine. Think before act. I want to do like this, I want to have like this, but instead of that I act like this. It's really, why I should have like this, why I have to. Nobody is there to control you. No one is telling to act like this or something. We are actually doing that kind of things on our own. But without accepting those kind of things, we are blaming others. That is the main cause of our stress. Willpower, that's the main source to get rid of stress. To be very frank, in our modern days, stress management, stress counseling classes, are there everywhere. Even for the school going students, for college students, for all. What kind of stress do they have? For students, maybe it's because of their parents, of the society, the school environment. As parents, we should not compare our students, our children with other children. As teachers also, we should not compare the students. So the comparison itself makes the things very hard. For individuals, what we do, we compare our life with other persons. Why I have to suffer like this, but others are so happy. How we know others are so happy? We don't know, right? Maybe they have some kind of show in front of us, but we feel that, or we think that I am only suffering in this world. Others are so happy, others are enjoying their life. Why I have to suffer all alone? There comes the stress factor. Alone. Fine. First of all, get rid of those kind of thoughts. Have some positive assumption on us. If we can't think positive on ourselves, how can we think positive on other things? Think of that. Fine. Thank you for watching.